Welcome to the spoken tutorial on selenium-rich vegetarian recipes. In this tutorial, we will learn about benefits of selenium in our body, a few vegetarian recipes. Selenium is a micronutrient found in most of the foods. It is an essential component of enzymes. Selenium is required to produce selenoproteins. Our body uses selenium to perform different functions. Most of these functions are performed by selenoproteins. Selenoproteins are involved in DNA synthesis. They are also required for protection against cell damage and infections. The importance of selenium has been explained in another tutorial. Please visit our website for more details. Let us now see the preparation of the recipes. Before we begin, note that one bowl mentioned in this tutorial is 150 milliliters. The first recipe is little millet idli. To make this recipe, you will need 30 grams or 2.5 tablespoons of little millet, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of whole black gram without skin, 1 small washed and grated carrot, 1 teaspoon oil or ghee, salt to taste. Procedure: wash and soak little millet and black gram overnight. Next day, grind everything into a smooth batter using a little water. Transfer the batter into a bowl. Cover the bowl and leave it to ferment for 6 to 8 hours in a warm place. Once the batter is fermented, add salt and grated carrot. Mix everything well. Next, grease the idli molds with oil or ghee. Pour the batter into the molds. Add 1 glass of water in the steaming vessel and place the mold in it. Close the vessel with a lid and steam the idlis for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they are done, allow the idlis to cool. Remove them from the mold and serve. Little millet idli is ready. 3 small idlis have around 16 micrograms of selenium. Next recipe is sesame seeds chutney powder. To make this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole black gram without skin, 5 to 6 dry red chilies, 1 piece of dry coconut, salt to taste. Procedure: heat a pan. Dry roast whole black gram, red chilies, dry coconut and cumin seeds. Roast them on a low flame until they turn light brown in color. Transfer them onto a plate and allow them to cool. Once cooled, transfer them into a mixer jar along with roasted sesame seeds. To this, add salt and grind everything into a fine powder. Transfer this powder into a bowl. Sesame seeds chutney powder is ready. 1/4 bowl of this chutney powder has around 12 micrograms of selenium. Third recipe is sprouted white peas curry. To make this recipe, you will need 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of sprouted white peas, 30 grams or 2 handful of washed and chopped amaranth leaves. You will also need 2 to 3 chopped garlic, 1 small chopped onion, 1 teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon oil or ghee. Procedure: we will first sprout the white peas. Wash and soak the white peas overnight. Next morning, strain out the excess water using a strainer. Fill a bowl with water and place the strainer on the bowl. Do not immerse the strainer in the water. It should be kept in such a way that the strainer touches the water. Leave it in a warm place for sprouting. Note that time taken for different beans to sprout may vary from 1 to 3 days. It also depends on the weather conditions. When the sprouts appear, pressure cook the sprouted peas. Do so until 4 to 5 whistles and then switch off the flame. Open the lid of the cooker after the pressure releases on its own. Keep this aside for later use. Heat oil or ghee in a pan and add the mustard and cumin seeds. Once the seeds splutter, add garlic and onion. Saute until they turn light brown in color. To this add the amaranth leaves and mix well. Cook this for 5 minutes. Next, add pressure cooked white peas sprouts, spices and salt. Mix again and add half a glass of water. Let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Sprouted white peas curry is ready. Half bowl of sprouted white peas curry has around 21 micrograms of selenium. Our last recipe is split green gram chapati. To make this recipe, you will need 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of split green gram without skin, 1 small grated carrot, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 1 green chili. You will also need 1 teaspoon oil or ghee and salt as per taste. Procedure: wash and soak the split green gram overnight. Drain the excess water using a strainer. Grind the split green gram, green chili and salt into a smooth paste. Do not add water while making the paste. Transfer the paste into a bowl. Add grated carrot, cumin seeds and carom seeds. Mix everything well. Grease the back of a plate with oil or ghee. Take a small ball of the prepared paste. Place it on the plate and press it with your fingers to make a chapati. You can also use an aluminium foil instead of a plate. Heat a pan and roast the chapati by applying some ghee or oil. Cook until both sides are cooked. Split green gram chapati is ready. 2 small chapatis have around 16 micrograms of selenium. Include these recipes in your daily diet for good health. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.